Hey you guys, welcome to Grandma Tussie's house. Today I'm going to do some meatloaf and I'm gonna let you guys cook with me. We got our ground Angus beef, 2 packages. I got some onion. I'm gonna use the meatloaf seasoning today. Crackers. We have our meatloaf, another seasoning here that we use. Tomato paste is going to be after we cook the meatloaf, put it on the top. Salt and pepper. Eggs and crackers. I think I already said crackers, but that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to put my meatloaf in the bowl here, and it's gonna get messy here for a minute, so I'll put my meatloaf in. Let me take these rings off so I don't get this meatloaf all in here. Hey Serenity, say hi to the vlog. Say hey y'all. Alright, my hands are clean, you guys, so I just kind of mix it all up together. I just mix it all up together. And wait, what's I call you? Okay, so I'm going to put 3 eggs. I'm gonna crack 3 eggs and put the 3 eggs in.
I love to put the eggs, Gigi, when you cook breakfast.
And we're gonna put all this stuff together.
Your hands are gonna get messy, Gigi.
Yes, it's gonna get messy, extremely messy. Serena, can you open this? My granddaughter is going to help me with putting in some of the ingredients. So will you open that for me? Open this one.
It smells like meatloaf.
Just make sure you're pointing.
Gigi, you have to open it.
And just put all this seasoning in.
Yeah.
Again, this is what we're putting with. This is what we're using. And then I'm going to pour for extra seasoning. I'm going to put in some extra seasoning in here.
That's tomatoes.
Papa like onions. I mean like mushrooms in his meatloaf. So I'm going to put the meatloaf, the onions in. I mean mushrooms, I'm sorry. They already drained, you guys, so everything is already drained. We're gonna put the mushrooms in.
It's getting messy.
Onion, the red onions, we're gonna put the red onions in. A little bit of salt. I just kind of sprinkle some on. Some black pepper. And now, this is the messy part. I'm gonna take some crackers.
Yay!
And Serena's gonna help with the crackers. So Serena's gonna crumble up the crackers into it, the meatloaf, while I get one more ingredient that I forgot. Put it right there. It's gotta stay in the camera. Talk to him, Serena.
Hey guys, this is our channel, and we are crumbling up crackers for the meatloaf. For Papa. Look at all these crackers.
Okay. So crumble up a few more. And then we're also one other ingredient that I forgot is bread. I usually crumble up about 3 slices of bread and put all that stuff in there. And so we'll do about half the crackers and put the bread in, then we'll mix it up. And then once we mix it up, then we'll see if it's gonna be dry or not. fun stuff, you guys. Ooh. Out the way. Thank you, Serenity, so much. This is how I do my meatloaf. I just mix all this stuff in here together. And I do it with my hands, you guys, because sometimes if you do it with a spatula, my hands are clean, but if you do it with a spatula, it doesn't mix all this stuff in here together. Go get this spray the pan right there. Find the spray over there and spray it. And your hands ready. While I'm doing this, Serenity is my helper today. My grandbaby is the helper. So she is going to spray the pan over there for me that we're gonna put the meatloaf in. And you just mix all this stuff together. I think I'm gonna put one more egg in here. So Serenity, can you assist me over here right quick?
Yes.
Serenity, spray in the pan. I need you to crack me one more egg in the middle. Just one. All right, now go back up into your pan.
Oh, sorry, guys.
I'm gonna add one more egg into the meatloaf. And mix. Mix all that stuff together. Serenity, are you about ready with the spraying? Is the pan about ready for me?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you don't mind, will you bring the pan over here so that Granny can put the meatloaf on?
Yes.
All right, while we wait on Serenity, I'm just gonna keep on mixing. Okay, Serenity, that's enough, honey. Thank you. I need the pan. The oven was already preheated to 400 degrees. So, just put it here. Thank you, honey. All right, get back. Get back, honey. Get back. Get back, sweetie. Thank you. All right, so all of this.
All of that nasty, gross stuff. Papa likes meatloaf.
It don't look like this when it's cooked. All right, as you guys can see, the pan is sprayed really well. So I'm just gonna take this and pour it in here and make a loaf.
I've sprayed a lot in here, Gigi.
Thank you so much.
So it won't stick a lot.
Thank you. So we're just gonna make a loaf and put it into the oven. Ooh, y'all, that looks so good. I put mushrooms in there today. I don't normally put mushrooms in there, but I did today. And we'll just see what it tastes like.
Oh, I love mushrooms.
All right. Serenity, I need you to assist me one more time. I need you to put the top on the pan so we can put it in the oven. The top on the pan. Top on the pan, please. All right. So, we got it in the oven. Hey, Maya. My camera person, my other grandbaby. All my grandbabies, they help me out so much. And so I got a grandbaby who's being the camera person. And my my brilliant helper over here. So, okay, you guys, that's it for this video. We will log back in when the meatloaf is done and show you guys what it turned out to be. In the meantime, see you later. Let me go wash my hands.